Okay, we're gonna examine this little spot in Macau with these boats, and I'll show you all more about that in a minute. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so you can see these boats right here, right? So my understanding, you see all these wires. So this, I believe, is the Macau side, and then I think China has all the rights to the water, I believe. I don't think that I've had people in Macau tell me that you know, Hong Kong, they have the rights to the water, so they can use the water that's in the bay and all that such stuff. But I believe all this stuff is the rights of Macau, I think. I mean, of China, I mean, sorry. So I think that this whole fence is just to keep mainlanders from coming into Macau, I guess. I guess that'd be why it would be built. Yeah, you got kind of a double fence there. You got that side and that side. So I don't know, maybe I can't film it. There's the Macau Tower up that way. Oh, there's some Macau tour buses. They park in this spot at nighttime, I guess. So anyways, we're kind of walking, and across the way is Zhuhai. So that's all Zhuhai over there. And you have to basically cross a border with your passport, use passport control to get from here to there. And you need, if you're a foreigner, you definitely need visa for China. If you're a China person, you definitely need a visa to get into Macau. So you need to plan it far in advance. There's a nice church up there. Okay. So yeah, this is kind of the boating area. Ships. And the shipping, I guess they'll ship, and I saw lots of docking there, so people can dock their boats and then bring in all their goods to sell to the Macau market. Here's some more shipping. Okay. So yeah, it looks like there's international shipping, and then there's a giant shipping crane. I don't know if I can film here or not, so I won't linger too long. Docks for shipping, for bringing things in. And then we're gonna go back into the Macau side. So anyways, all that has fencing as well up there. And it's kind of interesting to see another side of Macau. Okay, so maybe I'll just take you around the corner, and then you can just kind of see what else is here. And when you get over to this side, it's just basically just Macau. Just, you know, people with living their daily lives, shops. But this particular part of Macau has a little bit of a rundown feel, I guess, compared to other areas. And you can probably see that through the housing. Looks a little bit like it needs a good paint job. And but anyways, this is actually a good area as well to explore, because when you get down here quite a bit further, there's some really nice housing down by the water. We're kind of by the water already, but this particular part has a lot of these shipping places, I guess. Ports, what do you call these? Ports, I guess. So I don't know what that says in Chinese, but assuming some kind of shipping company, kind of port. That's kind of a cool building, that yellow building right there. Nice windows. So we're just gonna walk all the way down, and there's Amma Temple is down here. I don't know what that'll look like in the evening. I kind of want to get down. I kind of want to bring the camera just a little further, just so you can see what the end of the shipping space looks like. This is not a popular place to walk because of all the traffic. A lot of this traffic comes around the periphery part of Macau. This is kind of in a corner. You know, you're not really going, just kind of a way to move the traffic around without chucking up, without, you know, using the main arteries. So people that are using these are trying to get a little bit further in this 30 mile radius, 30 miles, 30 kilometer radius city. Okay, let's see what's down here. Okay, so now we got Pont 5A, and people are moving across this way right here, and we got a red light, but we're gonna follow this too. And I think what we're gonna do is just try to follow this all the way down, and we'll try to hug the coastline. So now you can see the shipping cranes are moving. This is a little bit more car mechanics. Hello. So, okay, so let's just see what we can see down this way. Okay. Pollen basket. There's some pretty cool artwork right here. That's really cool artwork. I like that. I don't know how well you can see the artwork. So Hong Kong, Macau, Hong Kong, there's some pretty cool artwork. And then I guess this kind of goes straight down. So so yeah, this is quite a hidden corner with some artwork that's a little hard to see in the night. But yeah, there's another artwork here. So they have all their crates here. Looks like it's all, there's some Portuguese there. I wonder if Portuguese are involved with Macau, Hong Kong terminal. Look how beautiful that artwork is, wow. Nobody sees that artwork. It's kind of a shame. Another one of these little arteries. More artwork. Kind of want to go down one of these arteries and just kind of see what's in them. In fact, little hidden oasis of who knows what. But I also want to see what's straight ahead too, so. Another one. Let's just kind of walk in for a minute. Okay, this looks like just pure residential up there. Yeah, this is pure residential, so this is just one big whole block of residential. So we're just gonna walk back out. So yeah, if you have the residential here, you're kind of in this maybe a little bit of an industrial area. Lots of mechanics and shipping kinds of things. Actually, those Portuguese people were kind of interesting. It's hard to know what their stories are. They might be, you know, doing import-export for Portugal or for some Portuguese-speaking countries, or they might even speak Cantonese, you know, like we just don't know. There's all these stuff too. So yeah, these are all containers. Yeah, you could walk right out on this one. And then we're just kind of back to the same stuff again. So so I think I might end it right there. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.